By the way, this is one of the best looking hats over here. This is the nav hat. I love the way it feels, and this is the C version edition. Welcome everybody to the Geek Tech Show. In this video, we are going to be checking out the Leatherman Earth Special Edition. This one is an exclusive item that you can only get this. Limited edition. If you're lucky enough to have this, this is the Earth version of this. And in this video, I'm going to do a hands-on review of this. You're going to be checking this out. We're going to be testing this out and seeing how great this one is, or it's not. And I'm going to give this a thumbs down, big thumbs down, or a big super thumbs up at the end of the video if I do like it. Let's go ahead and find out how good this is by doing hands-on with this and see if this is up to snuff or not. If you did like this video and enjoyed it, make sure you smash the thumbs up button, subscribe, and post a comment right down below. See you in the video. Welcome everybody, and today we are going to be checking out the G10 Earth Edition Limited, and this is how it actually looks like. Really cool looking. So first thing is we're going to be measuring it and checking the weight out. Before we do this, let's go ahead and open this up. And one thing I don't like about this is that this is probably not the best case for it. It's a little bit tight over here. It does come with the whole bit system included and a location to put in this right on this side as well. So this is kind of really cool because it gives you a lot of cool things here. First off, measurement. You're talking about 4 inches and 1¼ of an inch right here, all combined. Next thing we're going to be checking out is the weight of this. Altogether, it is about 12 ounces. Just this, with the bits, 10 ounces. Just this, it's going to be 9 ounces. This is a beauty. It's really hard to describe how beautiful this is by just looking at this. 3-dimensional wise, it looks kind of cool, but it doesn't do justice for what it actually is. In fact, right now I turn off the brightness a little bit down so you can actually see a lot more details of this thing. And the cool thing about this, yes, you can feel it, and I really like the texture. And you can get this in red. You can also get this in orange. This edition is an exclusive, very hard to get. You have to get this on eBay because you can't get this anywhere else. And you can see right here, this is the only one that comes with the black over here. Only problem with the black is that it does get on your hand just a little bit, but it doesn't all come out, which is a good thing. See right here, it is a beauty. It is beautiful. I think, black edition is probably the best looking one that you can get, if you can ever find it. Thing is about limited editions, when they make them, that's it, they don't come out anymore. And if you didn't get this, it is really tough work to you. Oh yes, look at this, look at the details on this thing. That's a beautiful looking. Now to side it here. Wow. I would hate to put this in use just because it is so pretty. And it also comes with this. It is, I actually think that the red one or the orange might be even more pretty in some ways. And it is cheaper. The only thing that I do like more about this one is that how stealth this thing is. And it doesn't scream. This is expensive. So you can use this every day, and yet nobody will know. This is some expensive knife you're holding. This is the S30B edition. So the carbon version is supposedly one of the best things they ever created. It doesn't get any better or more expensive than this. This is about, I think the price of this is just gonna go up. Right now, I bought this for 220 bucks. This value of this thing is gonna go shoot all the way to 300, just because none of it, there's almost none ever created just like it. It's an exclusive, and it's a beauty piece of a marble. Up close and personal, you can see that how it looks like, and you can feel every single one of those textures. This is a beauty. If you're looking for something one of a kind, can't get anywhere else, this is it. This is what you need to get your hands on. Nothing comes close to it. It has the right here, the cutter right here, and this is replaceable. You got all the tools for you that is included. This is so new that it's a little bit harder to open and close. You got the knife right here. The other side, you got the saw, chainsaw, that's what I like to call it. You got the hook right here and the surrogate edge. And you got the sharpener right here as well. You got all the tools that are really essential to get the job done. And once you open this up, you get more stuff here. You get this, the pliers. You also get on the side here a scale that you can use with inches on one side and millimeter on the other. So this is the centimeter right here. This is the inches right there, is included here. And on here on this side, you get the bit system, and you get a can opener right there. So the bit system is here, replaceable, with all those bits right here, and we get a lot of bits here for us. And we also have the can opener in case of EDC emergency. And on the other side, you get a lot of other cool stuff here. You get this, which is the screwdriver. You get this interesting looking tool. I don't know what exactly it is. And best of all, you get the scissors. That's right, you get the scissors here. So if you're ever stuck and you need to cut something in the event of an emergency, this tool does it all. The Charge is the biggest and the best one for you to get, because it gives you everything you need for almost every purpose. So instead of carrying 10, 20 different tools, you just need one to get everything done. So this makes it the perfect EDC carry and one of the most indestructible Leathermans ever created, and the best value and most expensive one out there, limited edition. Thank you so much for watching and getting all the way to the end of the video. I'm sure that I earned right now your subscription to this channel, and if I did, make sure you subscribe to it. It is free for you to join. Thank you so much for watching, and of course you're probably wondering what is the actual rating for this, and I give this a 10 plus. I usually don't give a 10 for anything that is next to perfect, and in my opinion, This cannot be done any better than this. Definitely a plus for this. A thumbs up. Make sure you smash the thumbs up on the bottom as well. And I can't wait to see you in the next video. Well, you don't know what is the next thing that's going to happen on the Geek Tech Show. And for you to find out, subscribe and see you on the inside.